Edison. Coming from Blantyre. We have come as a family. Even in our family, we are encountering so many challenges and the strange diseases which we have ever tried to consult, but things don't are changing. We can't manage to keep money, it always disappears. I want to know what actually happens. This is a liver. It has got its own story. It has got a place. The other side where people do pass or cross. Another side which is very deep and people used to swim. And the liver, it splits there. Death used to be occurring frequently. That people were being taken, swept by the water. And the whole issue, the whole story is originating from the liver, from the place where he used to be bathing or swimming, is the place that was very dangerous. We are here to confirm the other part of the river as you were explaining. This river is still there. Where bad people were swimming and also drawing water, and down the river, people died there. Within the river came a strange animal that bite my grandmother. When she went to the witch doctor, they said another animal will also come to also bite her. We are asking, want to confirm what the man of God has said. This liver, that particular moment, we were using that liver, and people were also drawing the water. They were also swimming from there. I'm just a son born recently in the 2000. I want to also to add more information. There is a way which separated from the liver. I've been dreaming about the place. I was dreaming about the lady when closing the liver used to be spreading other things, and my life began to change. Began to experience strange things. Most of the time in those dreams, I was dreaming the same path that I was using to cross to other parts. This other day, I also dreamed that the same path I'm talking about, it was like a small bridge that was erected, and we were using that. When I began to flow a first step crossing, I experienced a strange pain, and also eyes were paining. By the end of such a particular day, my eyes were paining and troubling me. The decision that I made was, when I get to the place, I wasn't using the same path. I changed it to another path. Till today, I'm using another path. I wanted to also shed more light on what the man of God said. What we want as a family is we should come out over the hunting.
akufa basi mwezi wa December nyama yanga imene
motani
nyama kiphika cha moro mimba jikama kulika tubiraga wansa makangala kupicherera ni moto itikuzunza dala ana amene wawa nacho sanzimu wake amene akungoenda monga chinjama amene tenacho tsachina chechotse pa iye tenacho
ziko mamboye.
It is finished and you are free. Thank you. You're free. You're free.
Ziko
mayesu mani masula.
Thank you, Jesus.
The
men that were interested in you,
looking
at your back,
whenever
you unwrap, most of the times when I sleep, I dream while driving a car, but most of the times I am involved in an accident beyond the repair. But I survived such an accident. I want an interpretation of such a dream. The men that were interested in you, they just look at the body, looking at your back. They should now enjoy or taste you. Then they come like men of love. In the beginning, they trouble you so much. These men, some of them are even married. Upon coming, whenever you unwrap your skate, after passing of time, then you are blocked online. The man is busy. You've been injured in an area of love. The car that you see in your dream is not a car per se, but it's your life of love, which is the interpretation towards your dream. Thank you. Want to confirm, man of God? The interpretation of the dream that you've given is the truth. It's issue about love with God challenges. I've been disappointed by 3 men. It's something which is very exciting, but the men leave me without any other problem, going to another woman. But God will assist you today.
You're free. You're free. Dance for your testimony now.